sure baningi abafana nami abebaconfused by the fact yokuthi kunesizwe samaNdebele esivela eZimbabwe called Northern Ndebele, siphinde futhi sibe nesizwe samaNdebele esivela khona la eSouth Africa esibizwa ngeSouthern Ndebele. Ngizibuza ukuthi ubani ophuma kubani, ubani omdala, ubani omncane, ubani othi baba, ubani othi mntwana ku. And I think the one thing that creates that is the fact that most of us sazi ukuthi isizwe samaNdebele sakhiwa uye uNkosi uMzilikazi kaMashobane. Well, that is not entirely accurate. Well, if you look at it, isizwe samaNdebele sala eSouth Africa existed way longer before Mzilikazi was even born. Inkosi uMzilikazi kaMashobane left isizwe sakaZulu between 1821 and 1822. And when he did, along the way, he met other ethnic groups, abafana nabo Sotho and Tswana. They formed a tribe which fought against the Boers and migrated north and ended up in Zimbabwe. That is the Ndebele nation, the Northern Ndebele. But when you look at the Southern Ndebele, they've been there for long. They have their own history, royalties, and even systems. I mean, they had Abu Inkoses, Fanabu Muni, Nabonzuza. So if you are like me and you're asking yourself, what is the difference between the two? So those are the differences. And the other thing, if you look at if the languages, both Northern Ndebele and Southern Ndebele, they don't actually sound the same. Yes, they are both Nguni languages. Northern Ndebele sounds more like Zulu, far way more than Southern Ndebele. Well, I'm still going to do a video about Southern Ndebele and their history and how they got to where they are. But it's just interesting thought to know what's the difference between the two Ndebele nation, Northern Ndebele and Southern Ndebele. Follow for more History Decoded.